We see an industry bogged down by inefficiencies, where design, analysis, and manufacturing lives in silos. Existing engineering tools are great for manual design, but are limited in automated workflows. Existing CAD systems require manual input, relying on engineers to influence designs. Infinitform brings in an intelligence layer to automate design intent for specific manufacturing processes and performance, removing the need for multiple design iterations.
After more than 2 decades, as an industry leader in AI-driven design optimization and advanced manufacturing software, I've experienced firsthand the inefficiencies and limitations that come with traditional design workflows. These processes often force engineers into constant back and forth, compromising innovations for practicality or manufacturability. Our vision was clear from the start: to empower engineers with advanced tools that don't just create concepts. They deliver solutions that are actionable, manufacturable, and optimized for real-world production. We call it fast-forward design, and it's about more than speed. It's about rethinking the way ideas move from concept to completion. Infinitform is built on decades of expertise from pioneers in computational geometry, topology optimization, finite element analysis, high-performance computing, and software architecture. By integrating cutting-edge advancements in GenAI, we've developed a platform that tackles the most complex engineering challenges in the design process. From optimizing manufacturability to reducing iteration cycles, Infinitform is setting a new standard for design innovation in the design and manufacturing space. The core technology we've developed incorporates manufacturing performance constraints in the early design stage, automatically generating results which are manufacturable per specific technology, cost-effective, and optimally correspond to applied loading conditions. Infinitform is a platform which allows companies to scale, effectively exploring multiple design concepts for various manufacturing technologies, making educated decisions fast, saving resources, and making engineers rock stars. Infinitform seamlessly integrates into the existing workflows. The design outputs are associative with major CAD systems, which make it easy for any design changes during product development. The future of design is here. Experience Infinitform's fast-forward design.